Hello, everyone. As we age, it's common to experience stiffness and decreased flexibility, which can lead to discomfort and an increased risk of falls. In this video, we will explore some yoga poses that are not only easy to do, but also highly effective in improving flexibility and balance for seniors. These poses have been carefully selected to target the major joints and muscle groups, while avoiding any strenuous movements or positions that could be harmful to older individuals. So let's get started on this journey towards better flexibility and balance through yoga. Sukhasana, or easy pose. Sukhasana is a meditative posture that provides a comfortable seated position for those with limited back mobility. This pose helps in opening up the chest and shoulders, promoting proper spinal alignment and reducing the risk of falls by enhancing hip and leg strength. To practice Sukhasana, start by sitting on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly move into a cross-legged position, ensuring your spine remains straight. Gently place your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take deep breaths, focusing on your abdominal muscles to engage and relax. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, adjusting your position as needed for comfort. Remember to maintain a straight spine throughout the exercise. Dhanurasana, or bow pose. Dhanurasana is a gentle back bend that effectively stretches the spine and strengthens the back muscles. It helps relieve back pain, improve posture, and enhance overall flexibility. To perform Dhanurasana, begin in a prone position with your feet together and arms by your sides. Slowly inhale and lift your head, chest and thighs off the ground, pulling your knees towards your chest. Securely clasp your hands behind your back and hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths. Remember to breathe deeply and evenly throughout the exercise. As you exhale, gently release the pose, allowing your body to relax back down to the starting position. Paschimottanasana, or seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana is a classic yoga pose that targets the hamstring muscles and promotes spinal flexibility. This pose helps stretch the lower back and reduce the risk of falls by improving balance and stability. To practice Paschimottanasana, sit on the floor with your legs extended forward. Keep your back straight and inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward from the hips, keeping your spine aligned. Reach towards your feet, trying to touch your toes. If you can't reach your toes, use your hands for support or a towel around your legs. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, focusing on lengthening your spine and relaxing your body. Virabhadrasana 2, or warrior pose 2. Virabhadrasana 2 is a standing pose that strengthens the legs, improves balance, and enhances overall stability. This pose helps increase flexibility in the hips and ankles, making it easier to get up and down from a seated position, reducing the risk of falls. To practice Virabhadrasana 2, stand with your feet apart. Turn your right foot outward and bend your right knee over your ankle. Extend your arms to the sides at shoulder level. Engage your core and balance on your left foot. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, ensuring your knee does not go beyond your toes. Repeat on the other side. Ardhanasana, or the boat pose. Ardhanasana is a fantastic core strengthening pose that also helps improve balance and stability. This pose engages the abdominal muscles, which are crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing falls. To perform Ardhanasana, sit with your legs extended and lean back slightly. Lift your feet off the ground and engage your core by pulling your belly button in. Raise your legs to form a 45-degree angle with the floor and keep your back straight. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, ensuring you maintain proper alignment and engage your core throughout the exercise. Gurasana, or peacock pose. Gurasana is a challenging yet rewarding pose that helps improve shoulder mobility, upper back strength, and spinal flexibility. This pose stretches the chest and shoulders, making it easier to reach and lift objects, reducing the risk of falls. To practice Gurasana, start in a standing position with your feet apart. Inhale and raise both arms overhead, keeping them straight. Turn your right arm to the right and bend your elbow, bringing your right hand behind your back. Clasp your hands together by hooking your right hand under your left elbow. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Repeat on the other side. Gomukhasana, or the cow face pose. Gomukhasana is an advanced yoga pose that requires flexibility and balance. While it may seem challenging, the benefits for shoulder and hip flexibility are significant. making it easier to perform daily activities such as dressing and reducing the risk of falls. To practice Gomukhasana, kneel on your mat with your knees apart and bring your right hand behind your back. Reach your left arm overhead and try to clasp your hands together. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the stretch in your shoulders and hips. Repeat on the other side. Ustrasana or camel pose. Ustrasana is a powerful back bend that opens up the chest and stretches the abdominal muscles. This pose helps improve spinal flexibility, posture, and balance, reducing the risk of falls by strengthening the core and back muscles. To perform Ustrasana, kneel with your feet apart and place your hands on your lower back. Inhale and arch back, dropping your head towards your heels. Engage your core and hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the stretch in your abdomen and spine. Bhujangasana, or Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana is a gentle back bend that strengthens the spine and abdominal muscles. This pose improves spinal flexibility and balance, reducing the risk of falls by engaging the core and promoting good posture. To practice Bhujangasana, lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Inhale and press your hands and extend your head, chest, and tailbone. Engage your core and hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the stretch in your spine and abdomen. Dhanurasana, or the fish pose. Dhanurasana is a restorative pose that opens up the chest and shoulders, promoting better breathing and reducing stiffness. This pose helps improve posture and balance, making it easier to navigate stairs and uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of falls. To practice Dhanurasana, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands under your thighs and clasp your fingers. Inhale and lift your head, chest and thighs off the ground, engaging your core and back muscles. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Balasana, or a child's pose. Balasana is a resting pose that provides a gentle stretch for the spine and back, reducing tension and relieving stress. This pose helps calm the nervous system, promoting relaxation and better sleep, which is essential for overall well-being and balance. To practice Balasana, kneel with your big toes touching and sit back on your heels. Bring your forehead to the ground and relax your body. Hold this pose for 1 to 3 minutes, breathing deeply and letting go of any tension. These yoga poses are highly effective in improving flexibility and balance, making them ideal for seniors. Incorporating these exercises into a regular routine can help maintain mobility, reduce the risk of falls, and promote overall well-being. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Namaskar.